Welcome to part 2 of Decoding ECB, that is External Commercial Borrowing Framework, based on the revised guidelines and the liberalizations given by RBI through their circular on February 16, 2026. So we have discussed about who can take a loan, who can give the loan, for what rate of interest you can give the loan. Now let's discuss what is the tenor and what is the form in which the loan can be taken. Well, it can be raised in any form that involves payment of agreed interest by whatever name called and repayment of principals. It can also be availed through FCCB, that is foreign currency convertible bond, that is foreign loan that converts into issuing company's own shares, and FCEB, that is foreign currency exchangeable bond. These are also foreign that exchanges for the shares of another company, usually group company. Since both these instruments are treated as commercial debt by RBI. Also, with these relaxations, the group companies also can give the loan, but it has to be at an arm's length. अब हम लोग बात करेंगे टाइम पीरियड के बारे में, which is MAMP, minimum average maturity period. So earlier, minimum average maturity period had different slots and it could range to 10 years also. But with this particular relaxations, they have kept it at 3 years. But इसमें भी अलग-अलग trenches हैं. अगर आपको ECB लेना है and if you're availing it for less than 3 years, तो pricing guidelines applicable होगी not as per the market but as per the trade credit guidelines. Trade credit यानी suppliers credit, buyers credit की pricing guidelines होती है उसके चलते. But अगर आप 3 साल के लिए लेना चाहते हो तो pricing guidelines will be as per the market conditions. कितना amount का लोन मैं ले सकता हूँ? Well, this is a very tricky condition and a tricky line which needs to be decoded. Borrowing capacity as per ECB guidelines is linked to the financial strength. So circular ये कहता है it has to be higher of outstanding of $1 billion or 300% of the net worth. But इसका काफी decoding जरूरी है. So whenever this aspect is being decided by you, please refer the detailed guidelines of the circular. Which sector or for which purpose you cannot take it. So you cannot take it for hedging or for chit fund or nidhi fund. Certain activities of real estate and constructions are also under restricted, but certain activities are now open for availing the loans, which is being clearly described, deciphered in the RBI circular. One another major thing that they have done is fungibility. यानी पहले मैं अगर INR में ECB ले रहा हूँ तो I was not able to convert it into any other foreign currency if I want. But now with this, they have said अगर आपने INR में लिया है तो आप उसको किसी भी करेंसी के लोन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो और किसी भी करेंसी के लोन्स को आप INR में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, which is a total fungibility. That is, you can transfer it from INR to US dollar, Euro, GBP and vice versa. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया 3 साल का पीरियड है, but if a manufacturing entity is there, then ECB with minimum average maturity period between 1 to 3 years can be raised subject to an outstanding capping of $150 million, as it will be categorized as short-term borrowings. Also, the reporting has been simplified. A word of caution, the person or the entities who are interested in availing the ECBs, they are usually under the impression that I have to bring the money and then I have to apply or inform the bank with the ECB1 form. No. First process is approach your bank, fill up the ECB1 form and you will have to submit the requisite documents, which will be the form of ECB1 and the agreement between the lender and your company. And post that, after proper verifications, bank will assign LRN number, which is a loan registration number to you. Post that only you will be able to get the funds. And the reporting of ECB availed is ECB2, which needs to be filed with your bank 7 days from the end of the month in which any changes have been done. So, आज के International Decoded about ECB framework में इतना ही, but जैसे मैंने अपने वीडियो में बार बताया है, whenever you want to avail it, please consult the subject matter expert or your consultants, or you may connect with Shriya Enterprise. Thank you.